and we agreed to expand the scope of the sanctions regime on Belarus.
Foreign ministers of the European Union have agreed on new sanctions against Belarus over the migrant crisis, the bloc's top diplomat Josep Borrell said on Monday. Addressing a press conference after the ministers' meeting, Borrell said the new set of sanctions had been politically adopted and will be finalized in the coming days. The sanctions will affect quite an important number of individuals and entities. The EU has been blaming Belarus for the current migrant crisis at its external borders. Belarus has denied the accusation and expressed its readiness for dialogue. The Belarusian Foreign Affairs Minister had told the EU that his country would try to reduce migrant flows from Asia, Africa, and the Middle East to the EU. Meanwhile, Poland's Deputy Interior Minister said Monday that thousands of migrants were trying to cross from Belarus into Poland.
W tej chwili na przejściu granicznym w Kuźnicy, które jest nieczynne, gromadzi się duża grupa cudzoziemców. W tej chwili to już jest kilkaset osób. Te osoby gromadzą się oczywiście po stronie białoruskiej. Są to
The Polish Defense Ministry said that the number of migrants gathered at Kuznica has been steadily growing. The latest reports estimated their number at between 2,000 and 4,000. So far, 166 individuals and 15 entities have been designated under the EU sanctions on Belarus, according to the bloc's External Action Service.